Guys, how you doing, man? It's your boy Jamestruss with marketonlinewithjames.com, how to get paid daily.com, and get started with us.com. Those are my URLs that I mostly use in business. So yeah, we got that out there. Now listen, guys, if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, comment, guys, say something. Let me know where you're from, okay? Remember, it helps the algorithm, guys. Now, you may not like this opportunity, but by you giving me a thumbs up, by you commenting, by you sharing, by you subscribing, help me reach those people that may want this opportunity or need this opportunity. Fair enough? Okay, thank you, guys. Let's get started. Now, again, I'm Jamestruss, and I am with Get Fearless Freedom Opportunity. This is the owner, again, Tammy Montgomery. I have been knowing Tammy for years, and I like the way Tammy operates. Again, everybody may not like Tammy. That's okay, because everybody don't like me. And guess what, guys? Everybody don't like you. Get used to it. All right, we're moving on. This opportunity is spending out thousands of dollars a day to members, guys. All right. Over $30,000 was earned last month, meaning paid out to members, guys. And we're about to exceed more than that this month. Okay, I think we're right around $25,000, maybe $30,000 already been paid out this month. This is results right here, $3,000 today. That was for Tammy. Congratulations. Hey, she not only is she the owner of this opportunity, she promotes this opportunity, which I think is a smart thing, right? These are her picture of her again, doing what she's doing. We had a Zoom last night because, guys, we actually have Zooms every Monday at 7 o'clock Central Time. So yeah, you need to get on these Zooms. You need to learn what's being taught on these Zooms. All right, that was the Zoom from last night. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make it last night. I had a meeting with my wife, and we kind of went over the limit last night. So, but I did make Sunday Zoom, which was for the VIP members. You want to become a VIP member, guys. As I stroll down, you see people having success. I'm gonna continue to stroll. People are having success. People are having success. That's another Zoom. When you look here on the side over here, guys, these people are people, again, that is having success. Continue to stroll, having success, right? Continue to stroll. You'll see more people having success. This guy joined. He got an opportunity. He in position to make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars a month. All right? You just continue to stroll. You see the names of people that are in this opportunity. They are having success, man. And like I said, I can stroll all the way down, continue to stroll on this Facebook page, and you will see these people that are coming in, that are earning $1,000 to their PayPal or through Zelle or overnight, however you want the money, right? It'd be sent straight to you. Now, you want to learn how to market and make money online, guys. It's simple, it's easy. You get this Fearless Community Training, guys, right here. All the stuff you want to learn, Zoom Mastermind, how to create Facebook events, traffic conversion. You need to know that if you're looking to make money online, right? Need the expert. I don't train, so I got an opportunity where they do the training, right? You don't want to train too, some of you know, so why not get in the opportunity? Get the people that you bring in, they get the free training. Got Facebook, Craigslist training, solo ads training, 100K a year training. That's actually a video where Tammy talks about how she earned $100,000 a year in this opportunity. That's her blueprint, right? So, guys, if you want to learn, you really want to learn how to earn $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 a day. Now, will that happen every day? Probably won't. But this opportunity, guys, can put out $2,000, $3,000, sometimes $4,000 a day. All right. If you really want to earn an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month, this is an opportunity to be in, guys. You can see all the stuff we have in the back office. I'm just going through browsing, showing you guys what we got and how we do it. Okay. Great opportunity. I'm actually putting out postcards I'm actually emailing on Craigslist, and I'm getting ready to send out about 500 clicks. Okay, clicks are not expensive, by the way. When you join us, guys, we don't have expensive clicks, but we have great people opting in, building our list. All right, emailing our list. Tammy does the emailing as well, but I email my own list, and hey, guess what? I get results. That's the way that's the way it works, guys. That's how the money's made. All right, it's not made overnight, but it is made over time. All right, my name is Jamestruss, guys. Go ahead, click that link below. Check out what I got, okay? Go ahead, again, subscribe to my channel, guys. All right, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, or something, guys. Comment, say hi, let me know where you're from. Again, guys, it helps the algorithm. All right, my name is Jamestruss, and I am with Get Fearless Freedom Opportunity, saying have a great day, just because you can.